name is Alex, who's in charge of MetalDuctor. It's nice to meet you, and glad to introduce MetalDuctor to you. This time, I will show you briefly from the contents of the standard set of MetalDuctor. The standard set is including all the small stuffs, as you can see on the screen, such as a flyer, ball hammer, and protecting goggles and applicators. The MetalDuctor has two functions mainly, which are deposition and cutting. Please understand that I will focus on deposition. Also, you may note that you will see about coding with practical use as well. First, you connect the cables of ground magnet and for the applicator, and for the gas. Also including gas coupler on the back panel. If you finish assemble the cables to the machine, it means you've done general preparation before you are working on with variety case of work. From now, you are required to concern of the needs, such as objects' physical features, especially to where for what. You could refer to the list of usage on the last page of the operation manual for the proper options like measure of frequency and the output level, amount of gas. It all depends on each case. From now, I will show you how to assemble the electrodes to the applicator. Loose the chuck first, and then put the electrodes into the chuck, and finally you can fasten up. But this time I recommend you to fasten up the chuck by 3 times. Otherwise, it's possible the electrodes can't be stayed on the middle of chuck and then become a problem when you are working. Let's think this small sample is the mold we are going to work on. I'm going to damage on the sampling purpose and then show you how to repair with MetalDuctor. Okay, so the small damage has occurred. And then clean the damaged part and put the ground cable on the raised material. Turn on the machine and adjust the proper figure of each level through the volume controller down here. Please keep in mind these 3 things. First, when you touch the electrodes to the base material, don't push too hard. If you push too hard, the base material is gonna be trimmed with melting. And secondly, when you grab the applicator, you better to use both hands to grab. Otherwise, the electrode is gonna be shaking, and then it's gonna be effect when you are working. And the last one, when you are working, only work within the damaged area. And I will do coating first. coating is done, and I will move to the overlay mode with a little bit higher increased output level and frequency. After that, you need to pinning on the overlaid part. And also grinding the overlaid part with grinder or file, anything suit for the metal you face. Even I showed that I was working with the small sample and small damaged part. It is working in the same way, no matter how big the damaged parts are. I reckon it's nearly finished with instruction. Once more, please remember, grab applicator by both hands and soft touch the electrodes to the mold. And furthermore, it would be better if you mark the part you intend to repair by pen. I hope the movies helped you to win your answer, and we are always welcome for any further inquiry, so please feel free and contact us without hesitation. Thank you. Bye.